I got a parcel today and I'm going to be unveiling it. This is strangely one of the best activities I like carrying out, unveiling new things and seeing what I've got.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap.
Looking at what I'm holding in my hand, you can already guess what I got. Yes, I got a bathroom organizer. I just decided to, like try to organize my bathroom. I actually get to do my skincare in the bath, not in my room. It actually comes with wall stickers. Each bathroom organizer has 2 wall stickers. Then the next thing I got was this toothbrush holder. So the toothpaste holder, sorry, came in with one end broken. It was my loss because I couldn't send these things back. And this is the toothbrush holder. So Obi decided to help me to mount this bathroom organizer. His oils are not going to go there. Everything that is going to go here is just mine. Like the bathroom organizer is just it can contain only my things because my things are a lot. Unfortunately, or I'll say fortunately for him, I got just two, one for my hair products and one for my skincare and body products. He actually did not want his oils to be in the bedroom. He's comfortable with where they are. Try put oil, Mercy. Then
Okay, cheap
what's chips salami? No, I'm not salami. It's not chips salami. Do you know when I'm Facebook? I know you put on it. When I say you put on, put on up. Put on in.
Wait, no fun.
Leave on. Put on in. Hey, correct me.
What's the place?
I want to be for corner. 2 brush here, 2 pieces here. Which one is the first? So right now I'm mounting the toothbrush holder and the toothpaste holder and it fell off. Okay, the sticker was not strong enough.
Okay, cheap toothbrush.
Now toothbrush cheap them mount. You don't see the toothbrush no enter.
I don't enter. Ah, you know.
Oh no.
No shit, you
I'm
know.
going to see it. Then I pay a toothbrush with it.
I have to buy it also.
My toothbrush is the best.
Okay, on there. Anyone?
Now what first one?
I'm doing you know how I go.
That's the fun of it. Obus bagno. Very miserable song. Wow, lavender news. Don't you go to the lavender news? No, no.
I know.
You claim they don't like lavender when.
I'll put down because of the purpose. I want to make it longer.
People are really crazy.
You know, say even the wall sticker is so much.
Then you will find out.
You
So they do now.
No, you put spag good now.
Hi, super good. They save you. So you do. They don't finish all.
You can you go 100%.
Put stickers on. See there you see you super glue again. What a life. Very abakala clean. Clean to
I'm not
reach.
to the wall.
Hi. Bakala clean so they if sometimes a video do my own so.
You put on the aura.
I've chopped off the side. I chopped even put the aura if it be sufficient.
There's nothing like.
You come out to.
Yes, on use. This is yes on use.
Now I want to say that thing more.
When you make a service, come out.
See, you know come out to.
Okay, you put on your hand.
You push a toothbrush. You push a toothbrush. You see now.
But you push on anything.
Sometimes you need a force. This force na go broken.
There's both motor.
Yeah, say you book motel.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good.
So my sister-in-law had to step out, so she wanted me to do an installation and styling on this very pretty wig. So you guys should just sit and relax. If you want me to upload the full video on how I achieve this beautiful installation, let me know in the comment section down below, okay?
Heart it race, so catch me if I fall.
Wait, wait, wait. Okay, let's. Okay. It's okay. So, snap picture. Jesus. This one. Yes, on the angle is this.
Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap. Mama, clap. Good girl. Clap. Hey. Baby Lenny. Come on, take. Baby Lenny. Come. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Now remove one. Remove it. Hmm? Take another one. Take another one. Good girl.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap.
Guys, the energy this girl has here, she started putting on the lights now. Like she will creep and start putting on the light. Now she wants to start dragging this mosquito net. This mosquito net is just going to come down. Mama, no. 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 Mama, no. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah. Don't do that. Don't do that. Please. Please. No. This is basically what I'm going through. She acts like she wants to sleep. The way you guys come to bed, she's going to start climbing on you and then trying to press you, trying to get to the mosquito net, trying to get to the light. God, you're hectic. So guys, she's trying so hard to stand on her own, and I love her courage. Like, she doesn't even give up. She doesn't she doesn't give up. One thing I like about her is when she falls, she hardly cries. When she falls and you shout, she cries. When she falls and you just calm her down or you just smile, she's not going to cry. That's what I mean. Except she falls like really bad. And I always try to avoid that because I don't always just like the scenario of a child falling. You know this thing when people say a child is supposed to fall when she's walking always. I know she's supposed to fall, but I always just make sure she doesn't fall in a kind of bad way. Like this thing, a child will fall and hit her head. No, please. There's so many things that can go wrong when you hit your head really bad. So I always just try to avoid it. Choose one. Choose one thing. Mosquito net or mommy's body. Choose. You want to do two. Hi. God, you fall. No. Oh, God.
Fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember.
This girl follows me everywhere. Right up to the kitchen. Take. Wait. Guys, I don't know if this one is pregnancy. Second pregnancy. Oh, hey, God. I've been craving for chicken. You know this chicken that's packed with curry and pepper, just boiled, not fried. The feeling of satisfaction I have right now is out of this world. I'll just start craving chicken. I hope I'm not pregnant though. My baby is just 9 months old. Baby. So guys, I gave her some of the chicken and she's devouring it.
You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe.
Guys, baby just had her bath. She's supposed to be sleeping now, but all my efforts have gone to waste. This is how baby girl is looking today. Looking so hot, mama. Why are you looking at your legs like that? Please, up, 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 up. Show me your face. Show me your face. Show me your face. Guys, she always wants to take off her sandals. Her and shoes, she has a problem with shoes. Mama, don't, please, 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 baby. No, baby. She always, see, what you guys saying? She wants to take off her shoes.
Immediately after her bath, I always feed her just so that she can feel really full, then just crash. So we have her water.
Don't kick the plate. Oh, God. Jesus. I love you. I love you. Oh, my God. Oh. I love my baby. I love my baby. I love baby. I was not informed. Good girl. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Good girl. Good girl.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact.
2 seconds later.
Guys, I'm not even done taking my bath yet, and this guy is already up. Do you want to climb out of the bed? You're from street, but you look so tired. Mama. Mama, baby.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back.
Is it just me? But I always like spraying perfume. Even when I'm just at home, I'm not going anywhere. I just like smelling good. Even if I'm going to the toilet, I like smelling good. When I'm going to shit, going to piss, I like smelling good. I don't know. It's just a habit that has gotten into me. At first, I like some years back, I didn't used to do it. I actually have some small things trying to disturb this beauty routine. My menses is on the way. So I always have some things on my face when my menses come, when my menses is coming. So baby has slept back. After bathing, I put her back to sleep. Whenever I put her in her bed, she doesn't stay for long. She feels more comfortable in our bed. So right now she's in our bed. I feel like the bed, like she's 9 months old, and I feel like the bed is going to be kept now for her junior brother or her junior sister. If she's cooking or he's cooking already, we don't know. The only time she sleeps there very well is at night, and still she wakes up around 3 a.m. and then I go get her, bring her to our bed, and then she passes the rest of the night on our bed. So she doesn't really like her bed anymore. So guys, hubby ordered 48 spices chicken. I was so hungry this evening and I wasn't feeling as to eat any food. In fact, I was just feeling as to eat chicken again. So I hardly eat chicken. Today I have really eaten chicken. Like, anyway, enough protein into my system. Something is doing me. Like, I'm just craving for chicken. I don't understand. Ah, God. So we ordered for 2 wrappings. This is it. This is the water one. This is mine. So I'm going to leave. So it comes with dodo, pepper, mayonnaise, and the chicken. I'm going to devour this right now.
Guys, that's breadcrumbs on her face. She ate a little bit of bread before. Good girl. Good girl. Guys, there's something my baby does. When they're showing any Big Brother advert, any advert at all, anything that's doing music, the way she's focused. If I show you guys what she's doing now, I can call her a million times and she's not going to answer.
Financial success is within your reach.
Like she's so focused.
Experience online trading at its finest. HFM, your innovative solutions, transparency, and top-notch customer service needs.
Mama.
Join HFM today. Visit www.hfm.com or download the HFM app on Google Play or App Store.
When the adverts are done, she now realizes she has a mother.
So that's it for this video. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. If you enjoyed this, make sure you give it a thumbs up. So don't forget to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.
This night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always